Hello Gemini Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tarot PH. So diretso na po tayo sa inyong monthly reading for February 2025. So naka-pre-shuffle na po lahat ng cards gagamitin natin. So diretso na po tayo. I-take nyo lang po yung mga resonate kayo and leave the rest. Use your intuition po para alam nyo yung akmang messages for you sa reading natin. Okay, let's start. In the middle of your reading, you have the Nine of Pentacles. Beautiful. A very, very beautiful card. Abundance. In the area of what you want, you have the Hierophant. In the area of what you need, you have the Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Wands. 999. In the area of your past, you have the World. In the area of near future, you have the Five of Cups. In the area of your challenge, you have the Seven of Cups. Magandang challenge to, in fairness. In the area of your fortune, you have the Three of Swords. Nasa area naman siya ng fortune, so walang problema dyan. In the area of divine advice, you have the Seven of Swords. At the Temperance card. In the area of your final outcome, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Beautiful, beautiful outcome. Wow. Ito palang lovely reading na siya. At the bottom of your deck, we have the Page of Cups. You anticipating merong magandang balita na parating sa'yo. Something na hindi mo inaasahan. You manifested something in the past and now darating siya sa'yo sa isang parang biglaang paraan, and I'm seeing you very, very happy. The challenge for you sa Page of Cups is to grab it while nandito pa siya. So, kung ano pa itong darating na to, make sure that hindi mo take for granted itong magandang parating sa'yo. Wow, beautiful at the bottom of the deck. So let's start na. At the heart of your reading, you have the Nine of Pentacles. This is about abundance, financial freedom, enjoying your own company. I'm seeing you getting what you want, enjoying the things on your own right now. Importante sa iyo yung mapalago yung negosyo mo, mapalago yung trabaho mo. Ang importante ngayon yung parang self-improvement o yung kaligayahan na meron ka. I'm seeing a very independent woman doing the things na makapasaya sa puso niya rather than compromising sa ibang tao. You have whatever you want here. You worked hard for the things na kailangan mo, na nagawa mo. You're a hard worker. I'm seeing someone OFW. Grinding every day, trabaho, hard work, and now you are having these rewards. Probably marinig mo yung mga anak mo sa Pinas, mayroon silang magandang balita for you, kaya naka-acquire ka ng lupa, naka-acquire ka ng bagong bahay, or you're selling one. You're very, very happy right now kasi nakakuha mo yung mga dati pinangarap mo lang. Okay, so let's clarify. The Nine of Pentacles is being clarified by the Ten of Cups. It's about you having, tamang sabi ko kanina, yung parang meron ka ng mga bagay na para sa family mo, or you're looking at your family and seeing na yes, yung hard work ko, yung pinaghirapan ko, worth it siya. Na pag sumikapan mo, I'm seeing na parang mga unfurnished house na puro hollow blocks pa lang, hindi pa siya napapalitadahan. I'm seeing na you're working on the stability of your family, may pinapagawa kang bahay, may negosyo kang gustong simulan para may pagkakitaan yung mga anak mo, pamilya mo. You having this financial freedom to get the things that you want for your family. In the area of, taas tayo dito sa area ng conscious and subconscious, you have the Hierophant at the position of what you want. Ito yung gusto mo. You want stability. You want a mentorship. Kung ikaw yung mag-aaral ulit, I'm seeing you parang nandito ka sa position mo na gusto mo mag-aral ulit. May gusto kang aralin. May gusto kang i-try na bagong field. Kaya kailangan mo munang mag-aral, whether online classes or mag-YouTube tutorials ka or going back literal sa school. For others, I'm seeing you want to take your relationship to the next level, whether marriage or proposal. I'm seeing parang you're asking or parang nagpapahaging ka na sa partner mo ng proposal. So, it could be, yun yung reason ba't nandito yung Page of Cups. magugulat ka sa pagdating nitong proposal na to or marriage. Tatanungin ka na ng partner mo about your marriage. So, this is something that you want, something na gusto mo ma-acquire. I'm also seeing home, bahay ito. Sa simbahan, facing both of you, exchanging vows. So, marriage is also a card from marriage, specific ito for someone. I'm also seeing you ask, for others, you're asking, nagsisimula ka magtanong about your marriage, about the stability of your marriage with someone. Yan ang nakita ko for others. For others, ito ay acquiring, you want parang mag-level up sa trabaho. So, gusto mo na umangat sa posisyon mo. Isa yun sa mga nakita ko. So, let's clarify. The Hierophant is being clarified. But the Seven of Wands, you're proving yourself. This time, you're leveling up na. Gusto mo na ng pagbabago. Whether sa love life ito, gusto mo na ng mas matinding commitment with your partner. Kung sa trabaho, you want na mabigyan ka ng reward or promotion for the things that you worked hard for. I'm also seeing you having a home na talagang pinaglaban mo, pinaghirapan mong tayuin. So, congratulations if it's about a house na binubuo now. In the area of what you need, ito yung gusto mo, ito yung kailangan mo. You need to have that stable foundation in everything about life. Kung you want marriage, you want proposal, make sure that everything is fine financially, emotionally. Both of you are ready. If it's a work, now is the time for you na gawin mo na yung passion project na gusto mong gawin. It's time for you para magbida o para ipakita yung worth mo. This is your chance to take things into your own hands and patunayan kung ano yung kaya mo. So, good luck with your 9 of Wands. Kung ano mo ito pinagdaanan mo na parang, I'm hearing this time, it will be mine. Yeah, I'm hearing that this time, it will be mine. So, i-claim nyo po yan. I-claim mo sa baba. Comment nyo po. This time, prosperity, luck is mine. So, that will be your 9 of Wands affirmation. This time, prosperity will be mine. In the area of clarify natin. Masyado ako na kontento sa 9 of Wands. We have the Queen of Swords. Yeah, have the clear vision. Huwag kang panghinaan ng loob. Be assertive. Ilaban mo yan kung ano gusto mo. You see the future na with the Queen of Swords alam mo kung anong gusto mong gawin. Ina-anticipate mo na, kiniklaim mo na, minamanifest mo na. So, yun ang kailangan mo i-manifest mo yung mga bagay na para sa at gusto mo, Gemini. In the area of your recent past, you have the World. May nagtapos na nakaraan, probably a cycle about love or a cycle ng trabaho or a cycle sa school, you graduated or you're elevated with a job description. So, merong success in the past and you earned those rewards sa success na to dito sa 9 of Pentacles. So, I'm seeing you very, very ready for a new start, for a new beginning. May bago kang gustong gawin o may gusto ka ring makompleto o may gusto kang matapos. Yun yung kasi yung mga gusto sa the World, yung closure or completion. So, kung ito gusto mo nang matapos yung pagkapalitado ng bahay. I'm really seeing that someone is building their home. So, kahit putol-putol siya, ginagawa mo pa rin nakakaipon ka, tinutuloy mo yung construction. So, it will be finished soon. So, tiyaga lang. So, the World, let's clarify. You have the 4 of Pentacles. It's something that na tinrabaho mo for your financial stability, for your home. I'm seeing na you acquiring someone merong ang tawag dito insurance. Yun, parang may nakita ko someone with insurance. For others, I'm seeing you want to have a closure na o ma-acquire na tong tinatrabaho mong ito. So with that completion sa the World. In the near future, you have the 5 of Cups. So, you moving forward. I'm seeing you moving forward. Kalimutan mo na yung nakaraan. Now, you have a new start with your family. Kung ano man yung mga pinagdaanan mong hardship o nasabi sa'yo in the past o mga bagay na hindi mo nakuha, yung akala mo, dire-diretso na yung plano. It was a good plan. It was a good execution. Pero biglang walang nangyari o biglang na-reject o biglang natenga. Hindi natuloy yung pagbebenta mo halimbawa o hindi natuloy yung pag-purchase mo ng something. Know that what happened in the past ay nakatadhanang hindi mo na mangyari. It was this destiny ang kumilos at gumalaw because it is a part of your fate, of your destined plan by the divine. Kung ano po pinapaniwalaan ninyo. Know that there will be these 2 cups in the near future are waiting for you na talaga namang papalit dun sa mga pinanghinayangan mo. So, be optimistic at everything that you want will come to you at the right time. So, the Five of Cups is being clarified. By the Page of Swords, continue having that fire within you. Continue fighting, continue moving forward, continue with the life that you want, with the decisions or with the goals na gusto mo. May mga plano tayong hindi nasusunod kung ano yung planong gusto natin gawin. But know that sometimes there are different ways and different routes in acquiring and fulfilling our goals. So, may ibang paraan. So, have that fire within you. Kung ito talaga yung gusto mo. One indication na talagang ito talaga yung path na para sa'yo. Hindi siya mawala-wala sa isip mo. Every day, gusto mo itry pa rin. Gusto mo pa rin siya ipagpatuloy. So, if that is still within you, sabihin ito talaga yung path na gusto mo. So, have that fire within you. Huwag kang panghinaan ng loob at huwag kang maligaw ng ibang bagay na gusto mong gawin. In the area of your challenge this month, February 2025, we have the Seven of Cups. Marami kang options. I'm seeing you visualizing kung ano yung gusto mo. But the problem is you trying to take action on it. So, puro pangarap lang. So, wag kang makontento sa magagandang pangarap lang o sa na-visualize mo lang ng magandang future. Take action on it. Itrabahuhin mo para maging reality siya sa'yo. So, that is your challenge this month, February 2025. Did I say weekly reading kanina? If I said weekly reading, I'm sorry. This is a monthly reading for Feb 2025. So, if you have dreams, if you have goals, kung may pinaplano ka, i-take action on it, actionan mo, and make it a reality because that will be your obstacle, yung maraming plano pero hindi in-actionan. So, the Seven of Cups is being clarified by the Star. Know that you are divinely protected, that what you want will come true if you take action on it. If you have proven na ito talaga yung gusto mo. Sometimes, universe is really testing you kung talaga ito yung gusto mo. So, put your whole heart on it. Don't lose your focus. Tignan mo, nakatingin siya doon sa star. Yun ang pangarap niya. Yun ang gusto niyang higitin pababa na makamit niya. So, I also want you to make a wish because other than the Knight of Cups, the star is also a card of wish fulfillment. So, take a moment. Mag-wish po kayo kung anong gusto niyong wish ngayon because it will be granted with the star card. So, kung ano yung pinapangarap mo, actionan mo, wag puro pangarap lang, okay? In the area of your fortune, sa area ng magandang kapalaran mo, ng iyong swerte, you have the Three of Swords. This is a beautiful reading because a beautiful card. Hindi to negative o hindi to masama. Because you're starting to move forward and move on. Natanggap mo na yung pain, naghilom na, you're starting to understand na dumaan lang yun, kaya ko na to, babangon na ako. So, now is the right time to stand up and move forward, learn the lessons, use those lessons, huwag mong takbuhan, huwag mong i-reject, huwag kang magkaroon na amnesia sa mga pain na naranasan mo because you can use that and you should use those things, those lessons, those heartaches for you to manage this new adventure na pupuntahan mo. Swerte siya kasi it's giving you the time to heal, a time to start over, and a time to really reflect and know yourself more and know other people more. Alam mo na kung sino yung mga taong iwasan mo if it is about a love reading. For those, alam mo na kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin para hindi mo na ulit ito maranasan. So the Three of Swords is being clarified by the Four of Cups. You having now the ability to look forward with the things na talagang hinahangad mo. Hindi ka na masaya sa past, naiyakan mo na itong mga to. Now is the time to move on and accept and open your arms for brand new blessings. So, i-claim sa baba, I embrace a brand new blessings. My arms are wide open for brand new blessings and I will fully accept it. Put that as a manifestation at the comment section below. Your advice from the divine, you have the Seven of Swords and the Temperance. I'm seeing here you being careful with self-sabotage. Kung may gusto kang gawin, try to go with the flow. Wag mo self-sabotage yung sarili mo, whether minamadali mo yung isang bagay o inaako mo lahat yung trabaho o yung desisyon, then hindi mo alam, nagkawindang-windang na just because inako mo lahat at hindi ka humingi ng tulong sa iba. It's a Seven of Swords about having that strategic and a clever plan para magawa mo yung gusto mo. You're taking the matters at your own hands. Temperance naman is about patience and trying to keep up with the flow of life. Kung ano mang tratrabaho mo, ituloy mo lang, magkaroon ka lang ng patience and resilience. You are guided by Archangel Michael. So don't worry kung ano man tong bagay na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. You are protected, you are guided, and everything are really planned. So, just hang on tight and continue planning, continue working, continue evolving sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. So, the Seven of Swords being clarified by the Five of Wands. You winning in life, just be clever enough to do what you want to do and you will be winning in life. The Temperance being clarified by the King of Swords. Panindigan mo tong mga bagay na to. Don't lose focus. Kung ano talagang balak mong gawin, stick with it. And say no to people. Halimbawa, inibitahan ka sa isang gantong ganyan and alam mong kailangan mo trabahuhin yung isang bagay, say no. Learn to set boundaries. Learn to say no to people na alam mong hindi makatulong sa'yo. Say no to vices. Be bold and be assertive sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. So, kailangan mong panindigan itong desisyon mo na ito. Bago tayo puntahan ang napakagandang outcome na the Wheel of Fortune, let's focus muna for other messages from the Divine Oracle. So we have the Swan Spirit, number 60. Kung importante po sa inyo, number 60. This card is for you. If you have seen Swan lately, whether sa pictures, personal na pag-usapan, nakita mo, this message is a confirmation that this reading is really for you. Swan Spirit, time for a deep dive. So, time na daw to para sumuong ka na doon sa life na gusto mo o sa planong gusto mo. Tapos na yung heartache, time to move on, accept the things na darating sa'yo. Time na to let go of these things and dive into the things na talagang importante sa'yo and open sa'yo. Okay? Dive, tamang-tama to sa ating challenge ngayon. Time for a deep dive. Tantanan mo na yung pangangarap o pag-visualize. Put it into action and reach for your dreams. The next message, have faith in your dreams. Kakasabi ko lang, diba? Waxing crescent moon. So, that's very self-explanatory, diba? Have faith in your dreams, in your abilities na maabot mo yung pangarap mo. Another message is rejuvenating rain. Clear the past and heal the present. See? Nasa near future, nasa fortune area mo, yung pag-heal mo sa mga bagay na na-let go mo, and also with the heartache or with the sorrow or pain or rejection or disappointments, clear the past and heal the present. Napakagandang oracle cards, very cohesive sa ating reading. So let's talk about your Wheel of Fortune. This time, kung dati, ano ba to, ba't laging rejection, ba't laging failure, ba't laging heartaches, ginagawa mo naman yung tama, you're playing safe, you're playing right, alam mo, you're doing everything that is right for you, hindi ka nalalamang tao, but since bakit lagi ikaw ang kawawa, o ikaw ang nare-reject, o ikaw ang at the losing end, no? This time, your outcome on Feb 2025, the wheels are turning in your favor. Just continue doing your plan meticulously, continue surrendering the control sa plano mo. Just go with the flow and magkaroon ka ng paninindigan. Huwag ka nang mag-imagine. Act on it. Forget the past. Enjoy the life that you have right now. Continue with that passion. Move forward and heal from those heartaches and claim yung mga bagay na darating sa'yo. You need to be resilient and move forward with the best intention in life. That will bring you to the outcome. Naiikot na yung will in your favor. So, do those things at mapupunta sa itong kapalaran na to at swerte na to. So, the Wheel of Fortune is being clarified by the Queen of Wands. Be bold, be brave, be assertive, and love yourself even more. If it's about a love reading on a heartache for others, love yourself more and the right one will come. Value your self-worth and someone will see your self-worth kapag napatunayan mo kung gaano mo kamahal at ka-importante sa iyo yung self-worth mo. If you are brave enough to do, habawa magbukas ka ng negosyo, the wheels are turning in your favor. Just do good to yourself too. Protect yourself. I'm seeing also with the Wheel of Fortune and Queen of Wands about you having this preservation of yourself. Your health, Take care of yourself with your health. Alagaan mo ang sarili mo. You've been working a lot these days. Nag-shift ka from pain and sorrow to brand new start. So, alagaan mo sarili mo. Exercise, I'm saying yoga. So, that will make your life even better and the wheels, mas lalapit sa'yo ang swerte if you are feeling good within yourself, diba? Within you. If you feel good, everything will come to you easily. So, embrace those abundance. I-claim nyo po yan sa baba because it will be yours if you claim all those manifestations. So, Gemini, that is your monthly reading for Feb 2025. Hope naka-resonate po kayo. Comment down below if you, kung naka-relate po kayo sa mga pinag-usapan natin in any area. I-claim nyo po yung para sa inyo. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next week po for your weekly reading on February na, for first week na Feb. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.